I can assure you that it's not. I mean, I've been in practice for over 30 years, and I understand the balanced diet. I like to think that I consume a balanced diet, and not only that, had access to the best nutrition and supplementation available around the world. We're talking about designer nutrition. We're talking about formulations that Tina and I would make ourselves, and we felt we had the best and the most bioavailable supplements you could find. And when we discovered Laminine, it just took us to a whole nother level. And when I started to do my own due diligence, with the product, I realized that this is unique. And the reason it is because you're dealing with a nutrient. Again, this is a food. We help take away the mystery with a lot of people by letting them know that even though it's not designed to treat, cure, or prevent any type of illness or disease, because it's just a food, but the food is captured at a very unique time. It's a pre-embryonic extract from the egg. And at this time, it has its highest concentration of their protein fractions, for lack of a better term. And they have FGFs and other signal molecules that facilitate the development of life. And this is something that in our early stages of development are essential to help the body to regenerate itself, repair itself as it builds itself. And after we become adults, this signal molecule or these nutrients aren't available anymore. And when we can consume them now, it facilitates the healing and the repairing as if we were young. And this is why it has such a profound effect. So, research has shown that when you take growth factors and signal molecules like we're consuming in the Laminine, that we're able to reprogram adult stem cells that direct the proteins, the amino acids in the body. This natural repair tool just knows where to go. So it's just part of the software of the body. We have the blueprint there on how to regenerate, repair, and heal, but it takes the activation of the expression of those genes. It's interesting. We know from brain research and central nervous system trauma that there's neural stem cells that are sitting around these traumatized areas, but they're looking for something to trigger their response. So it's this signal that comes from what's in Laminine and what the body has to manufacture, which it doesn't do very well as we age, to activate these neural stem cells to do the repair. So now you're seeing something that we can take very safely and naturally that will trigger and activate these dormant stem cells that are just sitting around. And what that means, it means you have old traumas that can get repaired. It has the ability to handle new traumas. So anything that's chronic will unwind. It'll retrace itself. Anything that's new will be handled much more efficiently and effectively.